You guys can read the title. No need to explain myself. Let's do it. And just like I would have guessed, we spun. Maybe because it's 60 degrees outside, but still fun. It was still fun. So we just spun first gear really bad. We'll give it, let's see, a 10 mile per hour head start. Rolling start. Oh my god, that's fucking crazy, guys. Holy shit. First gear, we just spin. Because I do have summer tires, Mickey Thompson street comps, and those are ideal for like 80-degree weather, so we are going to be spinning first gear pretty badly. Unless I do a burnout or something, but I'm not going to do that in a public street, so I do want to take the car to the track to a prep surface, so that way the spinning aspect can be taken away and we can see how fast the car really is. Where I live, a track is kind of far, so I need to find a distinct day to go to a track. I don't want to go alone, I want to go with friends, so. Second gear, we're going about 30 miles an hour. I am in Mexico, by the way, because the street I usually go to that's abandoned and no cars usually go there. I went and there was cars there, so obviously I can't be doing this shit there. So I'm in Mexico. Like, there's a Mexican lady right there. Hopefully in the springtime it gets a little warmer here, West Texas. Getting those 70 and 80 degree temps, so that way the tires can be a little warmer, because first gear is pretty much useless. Cargo, we'll try first gear again. First gear one more time. Even though we're probably gonna be spinning again. We spun again. Spinning ain't winning. So launching the car from a dead stop right now is just not an option. I quickly found that out. It's just not an option right now. It's 60 degrees outside. It's decent weather, but it's just not gonna work out. Launching the car at least. I'm gonna turn traction control off and see what happens. Probably not a smart move, but we're just gonna see what happens. Go ahead, man. I'm over here doing some hood rat stuff. You can go first. We're gonna roll onto it again because launching it, like I said, is not a good idea. 15 miles an hour. Ah, we hooked up a little bit there. We hooked up a little bit better there. Damn. This motherfucker rolls out, man. It rolls out. Alright, I'm setting the camera down right here. Hopefully nobody steals it. Gotta be quick. So looks like leaving traction control off is helping the car hook up a lot better. Like that pull I just did that you guys saw from outside the car hooked up pretty good. Didn't really spin at all. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it there for today. I hope you guys found it somewhat entertaining. I know it's not a very long video. It's probably gonna be super short. I don't know how much exactly I recorded, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm at the gas station. Gotta put gas because gas mileage did suffer with the 373 gears, but hey, if you wanna go fast, that's one of the things you gotta deal with. But hope you guys enjoyed. I do want to do a full review on the 373 gears pretty soon, so be on the lookout for that. And other than that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.